Our today video is to select the letter. We select the letter A. Wow, A. B will move towards honey. Wow, B will move towards honey. Second line, B will move. We draw our A letter. Wow. Very good. Now we will move towards our next letter, that is B. B will move towards honey. B will move towards honey. B will move towards honey. Wow. We draw our second letter, that is B. Now towards our third letter, that is C. Dog will move towards the ball. Wow. We draw our letter C. Next we move towards the next letter. Oh, bubbles block our way. Now we pick the bubbles. Wow. Oh. We pick our all the bubbles. Now the next letter is D. Dog will move towards ball, and the curved line dog will move towards ball. Wow, we draw our letter D. Now we move towards our next letter, that is E. B will move towards flower. Wow, we draw our next letter, that is the E letter. Now we move towards our next letter, that is F. In F, B will move towards flower, B will move towards flower, and B will move towards flower. We draw our letter. Wow. Now we move towards our next letter, that is G. In G, rabbit will move towards carrot. Rabbit will move towards carrot. We draw our letter G. Wow. Now we move towards our next letter, that is H. In H, rabbit will move towards carrot. Wow, we draw our letter H.